Introducing the T-Roc R-Line 1.5 TSI petrol, 150 PS with a 6-speed manual gearbox. Finished here in the much sought after pure white paintwork with a optional black roof pack as well and the black wing mirrors. The R-Line model here will feature a number of sporty enhancements, not just on the exterior but interior, such as these 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels. The rear bumper of the vehicle has been fully redesigned with privacy glass all round and a much more aggressive look, adding to the overall sportiness. For practicality, the boot is absolutely cavernous and features a variable boot floor as well as 60/40 splitting. For rear passengers, there's comfortable seating for 3, and for any small passengers, there's also 2 ISOFIX child anchor points, including the optional panoramic sunroof on this vehicle. The front of the cabin will also feature sporty enhancements such as an R-Line Sport steering wheel, and the upgraded part leather Sports R-Line seats will be available with the car as well. The multifunction steering wheel on the vehicle will control the fully digital display the driver has, being able to personalize it to each favorite needs as well, and controls various features such as assist systems, radio controls, and the adaptive cruise control with a speed limiter option, as well as lane assistance are available. The 8-inch infotainment unit will control satellite navigation for UK and Europe. Apple CarPlay is available as well, including an AM, FM and DAB radio. Media streaming for additional playback features is available, as well as full Bluetooth connectivity for the car. The car will also feature an optional winter pack, which includes your front heated seats for a driver and passenger, and a full automatic climate 2-zone control systems are available, as well as front and rear parking sensors that are audible and visual on the screen as well. For more information on this vehicle, please contact our sales team on 01270 50 70 50.